everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to check Instagram account country. Open your Instagram. Okay, if I tap on this account by clicking on three dots, you can see there is an option about this account. Tap on this. There is the account, the Instagram join date, which is February 2018, and this account is based in South Korea, which means this account is created in South Korea or this user is from South Korea. This account is verified in 2018 and all that. Okay, if we come back and scroll down and check any random account. For example, if I click on this account by tap on three dots and about this account, you can see this account is created in India and he joined this Instagram on September 2014. Okay guys, this is how you can check the country of Instagram account. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.